Hey guys, so we have a new hands-free POV action camera in the market, which is amazing, and you're seeing it right here at my cap, giving me absolutely hands-free experience to vlog anything that I want with such a mini tiny camera. So meet SJCAM S10. To meet SJCAM S10, which of course does have a boost pod, and it has with the flip screen. Meet SJCAM S10 with field of view 160 degrees and f2.0 lens, and behind there is 2.51-inch flip screen, which is bright and big, and of course you can just flip it up for that perfect selfie. And what's great is that this camera, which can work as standalone camera, it's only 45 grams. It is so light and so tiny. And the bottom part is magnetic. So my favorite thing about this S10 camera is that it's so light. It's only 45 grams. So as I've already shown you, it can go on my cap. And this magnetic utility clip is included in this box. So all these adapters that you need to fully utilize this S10 camera is included in this box. Even the memory space, this is 128 gigabyte edition. So even the storage is included in the camera, which is amazing.
Let's quickly see what's in the box. S10 camera, boost pod, vertical frame, horizontal frame, magnetic utility clip, quick release mount, magnetic pendant, 2 3M adhesive stickers, curved mount, flat mount, screw, USB cable, wipe cloth.
So let me show you what you can film in this setting.
Now let's go riding with SJCAM S10. This is the 4K video and the resolution looks good. The color looks good as well. And it has steady motion version 2 stabilization. And I think it works well while I'm riding bicycle. And if I want, I can just turn my head around to get the video of a boat sailing in the river.
And another adapter that I keep on using with S10 camera is this magnetic pendant. And it can be lengthened, go through my neck and tighten it again. And the camera can now be placed like on my chest like this. And what's amazing is that you can actually take this utility clip and even combine it with the magnetic pendant and change the angle as you need. Get the perfect shot with a perfect angle, just like the video that I'm showing you right now.
If you want S10 camera to be attached directly to your vehicle, then you can use the horizontal frame, which is included in the box, as well as the vertical frame, which is also included in the box.
And what's amazing about this boost pod is that it works as a remote control and live preview, so you can make sure that you have your camera framing completely correct. See, this remote control, this camera is seeing everything and displaying it on the boost pod, which works like a remote control. It's amazing. So I can just move around and show you the different view. I love it. I can see the remote control, and because this is 160-degree field of view, actually pretty much any setting looks really nice. It's super duper wide angle.
The remote control function works well even in the vertical mode. And if you turn the camera around vertically, then you can maximize using 2.51-inch display. This is what you get with the vertical framing of S10 camera. I think it works well, very handy for your social media needs. And the boost pod as a remote control works really well in any situation.
So right now it's on my chest, and I'm gonna go back that way to the bridge to show you what it looks like here.
And this is another shot of me riding bicycle, but inside a bridge. So far, I've only been using the adapters provided in the box to make use of the magnetic camera. However, you can use any magnetic structure that you can find to mount your camera. Like here, despite the strong wind, the magnet held really well and was able to capture the time-lapse video. And the remote control of the boost mode really helped me to see what exactly the camera was filming. This live preview remote control and the magnetic standalone camera combination is so handy. Can SJCAM S10 go into the water? The answer is yes. This 45-gram standalone camera is 5-meter waterproof, so I can just dip it into the water.
Now I'm gonna walk up the stream.
In this rocky terrain, I think it's perhaps better to use the magnetic mounting, the magnetic pendant. It allows me to go completely hands-free and be safe.
And because it's magnetic, I can just take it out from the pendant and also do a self-vlogging shot.
For those of you who self-vlog a lot, then don't forget to use the quick release mount, which is also included in the box. I'm gonna show you several of my vlogging shots, both outdoor as well as indoor, for you to see the 4K resolution quality from SJCAM S10.
In this super hot weather, I'm here just in front of Starbucks, so we better go in. So this is one of the most gorgeous Starbucks.
So far, I think the indoor video quality works really well. And let me show you what the indoor picture quality looks like in a dark environment. So I went to an art exhibition of Botero and I was allowed to take some photos. And I think they came out really well in 24 megapixels. Since it's such a tiny camera, you might want to take this camera into action. So I'm gonna show you what the slow motion feature can do. So compare 2 times slow motion against 4 times, 8 times. And I think the image quality is good. So I've shown you what SJCAM S10 camera can do in the outdoor, in the indoor, under the water, and stuck to a metal post as well. And you'd be glad to hear that the S10 camera, once it's put back into the boost pod, the battery automatically recharges and the camera can last up to 240 minutes.
By the way, if you guys want a small carrying bag that carries your camera and any other tiny gears for your vlogging, then don't forget to get the universal carrying bag from SJCAM. This is the real bag, it's black, and let me open it up. And this is what you see inside, and it's cushiony. Perfect. So I've taken this SJCAM S10 camera to so many different settings to test out and also really enjoy this camera. It's just perfect for you to go hands-free as well as to vlog anything with this massive flip screen. So handy. And I'm amazed by how SJCAM comes up with great new ideas on cameras and so on at a very competitive price as well. So please do check out the link down below for more detail on the price and also the combo information on this SJCAM S10 camera. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews, so see you!